What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Nerd Croft, here with the best of Hackingtons, episode 201. Let's get it! Alright, so my boy Atharv has got some slime dash going on. Now, this is supposed to be, I like that. Nice little 2D action here. I am the slime god. Check this out. Got a little parallax scroll, little flow effect. I like it. Let's see what this game's all about. All right, so W to jump. I got that. Duh. All right. Boom. First level. What's up? Come on, subscribe to the channel. Like this video if you want to see some more epic gameplay like that. First level, no problem. You think you can do better? 1v1 me. 1v1 me. Come on, let's go. Right now. 1v1 me level platformer thing. Boom! 2 levels down. I'm not going to spoil the rest of the game. Check out my boy Atharv. Awesome slime game. Really cool, dude. All right. That was slick. We got Justin H1's Color Rush. Just a work in progress, but check this out. All right, so we can come in here. We got level select. I like that. Let's go ahead. Frenetic. Of course, I'm picking Frenetic. We got to pick the hardest level in the game to start with. What am I? Teacher Steven? This is a mobile game. I think this game's mobile ready. Let's do it. Oh, look at your boy. Oh, I got stuck. Oh, just, whoa. Oh yeah. Come at me. Come on. Nobody can beat my high score. Come on. Combo of 2. Come on. Boom! I'm just shooting those cubes. Okay, so the music's really cool. I'm obviously I'm pretending I'm Teacher Steven right now. I'm pretending I'm bad at this game for the lulz. If I really tried, I could absolutely crush this game, but I'm not even trying. I'm just kicking back. I am the best gamer in the world. Don't even try me like that, bruh. So cool. Awesome job, Justin. Glad we don't pay that guy very much. All right, so here we have SeanHu. Sean took a challenge from me. I said, make the most difficult print statement you have ever seen. So print is a thing that's just built into Python. You can just use it. But we wanted to recreate ourselves in the most difficult way possible. So check this out. So Sean took in and he's doing a system.standard write, which actually writes it out. But look what this does. So it goes through and it caches every single letter that was typed, determines what it was, adds it to a list, converts it to binary, and then converts the binary back to letters. And so now if we run it, and we can just say like James, and we got, boom. It still prints. It does exactly what it's supposed to do, but in the most convoluted, complicated way possible. Awesome job, Sean. I'm super proud that you took this challenge upon yourself to do this. And if you like this thing, check out the As Difficult as Possible series on the Hackingtons Pro YouTube channel. We do videos like this all the time, and you can see my version of the As Difficult as Possible print statement in Python. But awesome job, Sean. And that's it for the best of Hackingtons, episode 201. Go check out the club. So if you like those Unity games, we play Unity games every Thursday in the Unity Club. It's a lot of fun, and we answer questions on Tuesdays. And if you like that Python game, check out the HTML/Python Club on Wednesday. It is a blast, and of course, Fun Friday. We'll see you later.